In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an app in Zoho Creator. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Creator or here inside Zoho, and you want to go to Applications, top left, and then you want to click Create Application. Now, you could start from scratch, from Gallery, or you can just import your files, but for this tutorial, we're going to be using their AI over here because I do think this is the easiest if you are a beginner. So I'm going to click on Create over here, and then it says, what should your application do? I'm just going to describe it, and I'm going to type this in. I want an app that can track my tasks. I want it to include tasks I have to do, those in progress, and the already completed tasks. That's basically it, and it's very simple. I'm just going to click on Start Building over here, and it's going to basically start building with AI over here. As you can see, it's now generating the data model. And then here, you'll basically be able to see kind of the use cases, okay? And now, here you can see it basically created everything with AI. You can go ahead and generate more things if you want to. You can add in different custom use cases, etc. But I'm just going to go ahead and say this is okay. And I'm going to click on Create Application. Okay, so the app has now been created, and it says over here, your application has been created. I can click on Access Application down here at the bottom right, and it's going to take me directly into my task tracker app. And there we go. This is basically how it looks like, as you can see. So it's quite convenient. This is what it has built. You can go to tasks, you can go to categories, you can basically add on different tasks, etc. Now, as you can see, it's pretty good. You can go ahead and filter by like a laptop version, a mobile phone version, and you can also use this kind of tablet version over here for yourself. Okay, so it basically built an app just like this. It was very easy, as you can see, and if you don't like anything and you would like to, for example, change something, click on Edit to this application at the very top right, and then you'll be basically put into this mode where you can then go ahead and essentially do whatever you want with it and actually edit whatever you would like. Okay, so it's completely possible to do whatever you want. Over here you can edit, you can open the page builders, etc. You can change the workflows, the settings, stuff like that. And yeah, it's very convenient, and this is how you actually create an app in Zoho Creator. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.